Alright. Alright guys, it's Saturday, January 7th, 2017. And forgot to take a video before I took everything off. But let me show you what I've done since the last video. I pretty much labeled, what I did this morning was I labeled the wire harness. So it was snaking through where I was holding. So I had everything labeled all the way down there. And I've also labeled the brake lines, so I know which one goes to the front, which one goes to the back. Let's see, the fuel lines, the return and the one to go to the carb. I've taken off the corner lights, so those are original, still original. And let's see, as you can see, I've taken off the brake booster and the master cylinder. I've also taken off the cover plate that would cover that with automatic. It's if you have the automatic, it's got a cover. If you got a stick, you've got the clutch master cylinder that goes there. Been trying to remove these clips. I don't know if I can find replacements for them. That's why they're still sitting there. I'm going to do an online search and see if I can find them. As you can see, I've tried to unclip the old original ones. Again, I don't know if I can find exact replacement ones. So that's why I've been very careful. So I've been talking about the car being a 67,000 original mile car, and I wanted to show you what the automatic brake pedal looks like. This is from the car original. As you can see, it's still nice black finish on there, factory finish. I haven't touched it. There's the block off plate. And here is a clutch pedal and brake pedal assembly to convert it to a stick. And as you can see, the manual setup has a very rusty finish. I don't know how many miles the car had that this pedal assembly came from, but as you can see, nice original black finish on the automatic. And this is off another car that was an original stick. So this is what's going to go in the car. I am going to be refinishing it, try to get it nice and shiny like this black original piece here, and obviously put some new pedal things on there, the rubber pedal ends on there. There's the wire harness. As you can see, I don't know, well, it might be kind of hard, but as you can see, it's completely labeled. And this is the part that's on the inside of the car. So from the shiny part down is original. Inside, there's the firewall blocker, and then the rest of the wire harness. Alright, let me switch lights here.